This is how I made this animation inside After Effects using Zellige PixelSynth. I'll be using this stock animation that I modified. I will remove the background. Then using the Zellige plugin, I will insert the mouse texture. I use two textures here. One only the mouse PNG and one the same only smaller, to give the illusion of mouse clicking. And I'll be using just two zones. So the first one goes here, second one. Then before applying this, you should select your composition and then refresh to just get the right block size. Select the layer and then apply PixelSynth. If the mouse are too big, just go back, Ctrl Z, and make the block size smaller. I think it's too small. I think this one is just fine. If the source layer is visible, just hide it. We don't need it. And also inside the zone composition, you can change the track mates. We will not use the Luma mate, we will only use the alpha mates. But in some cases, I like to use the Luma mate. It's just for making textures and stuff. Maybe I will show you examples after. So we had the first result. I will create the solid, and the cursor here looks more organized, a lot organized, and in the animation example it's not like this. So what I did is I created another variation. I took the same video, then I replaced the position of it a little bit, and I renamed the layer. For this one I applied 3 zones and used another textures. The difference is the other textures has the cursor, one in the side, one in the right, other one is just smaller but a bit up, just to make things random, because if it was just the same position it would look like tiled, and I want them to be somehow random. So I select, doesn't matter how you select, you organize them in the slots. I need to select the layer, and from here I need to reposition the layer, not too far, just a little bit, so the character shape to stay visible. We don't need the source layers, we can just delete them. We apply a drop shadow. The opacity is 100%, and I tweaked the distance, and I copied the effect and pasted it in the other layer, and I parented the one layer of them to the other just to be parented together. Then I scaled it down, and for the cursors that go backward, making the illusion of the person walking, the character walking. To create them, first we need to add a solid, a dark solid, place it behind these layers, and we need to draw circles. And we don't need the fill, we just need the stroke and the white stroke. Add another circle, and we animate it. So let's start it from here. First keyframe for the position, and the other position go somewhere here. And we're gonna use an expression, a loop out expression. And just like this we have the shape looping, and we're gonna pre-comp the shape we animated and the solid background together. So pre-compose, give it a name if you want. From here we need to mask the composition to be only visible behind the character, so we're gonna create a mask just like this. And from here we can apply our effect and make sure the block size is the same. Then select your pre-comp and click apply. Right now the texture is applied to all values, and we only need it for white areas. So we're gonna go inside the zone composition and hide the dark textures. So now the texture only visible in the white parts, and it looks organized, and we don't want that. So we're gonna go inside the source pre-comp, and we're gonna add the turbulent displacement. So we're gonna add an adjustment layer and apply a turbulent displacement. We're gonna increase the amount and size to something that looks more random. Maybe increase the stroke length. We're gonna check the comp, and it looks great. We can apply the same drop shadow we applied earlier to the new composition we made to match the same cursors. And this is how I created this animation with the help with Zellige plugin. If anything is unclear, please drop a comment below, and I will see you in the next one.